Hi all. Today we will discuss about short command. So my machine is already started in Oracle VirtualBox is running and I have putty session already enabled. Okay. So short is a command that help us to short the content of any of the file. So to use this command we have to type short and the file name. Okay. So for this testing I already created two files. One is alpha which is having junk character, like not a junk, is a some alphabetic order is there. Okay, and we have number file as well which is having some random numbers. Okay, so we will look to the alpha short, then file name alpha. So as you can see it's showing a b in a alphabetical order. Okay, so we have content here, short file name, sort the content of the file and return them in alphanumerical order. Okay, then if you use -d is a dictionary order, -f ignore case, I ignore non-printing, and numeric sort, and R for reverse order. Okay, so short -d alpha. Okay, so it's in dictionary order, so we don't have any word, so it's not showing. Okay, next is ignore case. Okay, if we use f instead of d, so what is going to happen? Blank is on first, then capital A's, small a, capital B, small b. So what is okay? Space is on first priority. Okay, then uppercase, then lowercase. So this is the ignore case. So here ignore non-printing. So what is this? Short -I alpha. See, it's showing small a, capital, lowercase, and uppercase. Okay. Then we have numeric short and reverse. So clear skin, short -R, then alpha. Okay. So we are having reverse order of this. On the top we have Z, X, this is in reverse order, and on the bottom we have A and capital C and all, and then blank file lines. Okay, so I am clearing my screen. Then we will test this thing in a number one, like cat number. This is my file, so we'll do short number. So if I use short and file name with the numeric one, so it will short according to the first character, like it's taking as a string, so we have to define short as a number. Okay, so here is 22, 234, and then 3. So this is not a sorting order, it's sorting according to alphabetical order. So we'll do short -n number, then that's the correct order: 0 1 2 3 3 5 7 8 22 46 345 and 769. So if you have numeric file, if you have file with the numerical values, so you use short -n and the file name of that. Okay, and if you are having the string, so you can use short short and then file name alpha, like we have. Okay, so for this we have ignore case, ignore sensitiveness, ignore case sensitive, directory, dictionary order, and the numeric value, and the reverse order. Okay, so if you do, like we have two files, ls alpha, and we have number as well. So we have two files, so we will do short on a both file, alpha and number. So what is going to happen? Let's see. So it's on full screen. I am just so what is shorts is created a short string, first number and then string, like we provided. Okay, if we do short -n number and alpha, see what is going to happen. It's showing 0, then character, after character string came, in a proper manner. Okay, so this is the thing you can use short file 1, file 2, sort the content of both file 1 and file 2. You can sort the content of any file. So you have these things. I already shown you the cat command, and this is a short command, and in the next video we will see some more commands. So this is all for today's session. Let's see you in a next session. Okay.